Finally, I've decided to bring back our weekly review on this channel. So henceforth, guys, I'm going to be I used to do it in the past, right now I'm going to be showing you guys my weekly trades, to show you guys what my trading plan is for the new week or the new month. Now today is 1st of September. I'm actually making this video. This is a new month, so guys, happy new month. I hope you make a lot of win in this month, guys. So guys, in this month, let's just go to the chart. Let me show you guys what I'm looking out for in this month, right? So my plan actually is I'm going to be trading it's like a $11 account, right? I want to trade it to something significant. My hope is to take it to maybe $200 and then buy a proper account, right? And let me see if I can achieve all of that in this month, right? But before I show you guys my plan for this month, let me show you guys what's happened in our previous month, right? So guys, in the last month, I was able to trade some setup on GBPUSD, right? So guys, I saw this setup right here, right? When this massive sell was about to drop, I saw this sell right there, so I was able to enter the trade to execute somewhere around. Let me go to the 1 hour. So guys, I was able to execute my sales somewhere around here, right? So let me just bring all those things back, my analysis now. So guys, this was my analysis. The kind of strategy I use is called quad wave, right? Probably you'll be hearing it for the first time. That is because I am the inventor of that strategy, right? It's called quad wave, right? So guys, I was able to execute. I'm going to be showing you guys the screenshot, right? I executed the first entry right here, but for some reason this pullback, because I was risking too much. So guys, that's why whenever you are trading, always manage your risk, right? So the reason I closed this trade was because I risked 100% of my account for this entry, because I was expecting a massive drop, and actually a massive drop later happened, but my psychology could not handle it, right? So when the market pulled back to this level, right, I did what? I closed the trade, right? But I eventually found another entry which I was able to hold the trade to around 145 pips. That was last 2 weeks, guys. Now this was what happened last month, right? So guys, and I think if you come to I was able to trade EURNZD last month also. I'm going to be showing you guys the screenshot if I still have it on my phone, right? So I took this trade right here, and I was able to get I was able to bargain almost 250 something pips in this trade, right? Okay, but I had a lot of losses last month as well. I had a lot of losses on GBPUSD. I also had some losses on I think I had losses right here. I had some losses right here. That was last week. Okay, I had some losses on this trade. This I entered a buy on this massive bullish, because this is it pin bar, or what do you call it? This particular candlestick, I entered trade right here, and then I had to close it somewhere around here. When the market stopped moving and they started retracing, so I closed it at a loss somewhere around this region, right? So that was how my trade went last month. Probably last month I didn't come out with much profit on my account, but I'm hoping that this month we do better. So now, what am I looking out for in this month? I've told you guys my trading plans for this month, right? I hope to trade this $11 with something significant. So guys, what am I looking out for, right? So guys, right here, the overall move, if you come to the higher time frame, right, I'm going to be trading EURNZD. The major reason why I'm doing this video is for accountability, right? I want you guys to hold me accountable. Now, probably you might not know how you do that, but definitely I'm going to hold myself accountable. The reason I'm sharing it with you guys, so that you guys can tell me if I did not do what I said I was going to do. You can call back my attention to it. So that is how you can help me to hold me accountable, right? So what I'm saying is that in this month, I hope to trade just EURNZD on this particular $11 account. So if for any reason I trade any other thing on that account, it means I'm not a disciplined trader. I want to be able to say a thing and do it, right? That is what is going to keep you profitable in this industry. So for this month of September, from beginning to the end, I'm only going to be looking for a setup on EURNZD, guys. So guys, hold me accountable to this, guys. That is part of the reason I like to share my my trading with you guys sometimes. So guys, what am I actually looking for? If you look at this EURNZD right now, let me just remove all these things so it's not confusing. All right, so take this off. So if you look at EURNZD right now, you can see it is a massive buy. It is still bullish, but on the lower time frame it is currently selling, right? So guys, what do you do? So actually I'm expecting this market to sell to what is it called, to 1.97, right? I was expecting to sell to this region, 1.97. This is where I should be looking for my buys from, 1.97 to or 1.971, right? That is where I should be taking my buys from, right? But for now, what I should be looking out for right now is sell, right? But right now the market has already moved. I cannot take any other sell except there is a retracement. Okay, if there is a retracement to let's say, let me bring out my analysis again. Okay, yeah, so if there's a retracement to this level, this is where I'm going to be taking my entry, because actually the market moves in 4 waves, right? So the name of my strategy is called quad wave, because quad means 4, right? The market moves in 4 waves and 4 structures. So all these things you are seeing here is called waves, right? This 2C is the third waves, right? And this is second wave of the third structure, right? So maybe I'm going to be doing a video to properly introduce you guys to my strategy. It's an amazing strategy and it's something that you probably never see anywhere before, and it is very simple trading strategy that anybody can trade. Okay, I'm going to be doing a video about my strategy, maybe my next video. Okay, so guys, as you can see right here, I'm waiting for this market to pull up to this level. This is where I'm going to be executing my sales from, and I'm going to take it down right to this particular level. So once the market gets here, this is where I'm going to be going for my big buys, right? If I enter this buy here, I should be targeting not less than 300 pips from this level, 300 to 400 pips, because the market is massively buying at the higher time frame. So guys, this is my plan for the coming weeks, right? So I hope to take this $11 to something reasonable like $200, right? I've actually done it before, right? I've done it sometime. I did it just sometime in January, but then I was trading synthetic, right? I traded synthetic. I was able to take $10 to around 200 plus, right? As you can see, I'm going to leave the screenshot right there. I posted it in this channel. If you go back to my channel, that is my first shot. You're going to see the video I did about that success, right? But right now I'm trading the forex market, and I hope to flip my $10 to something sizable so I can buy a proper account with it, and then we can continue from there. And I want you guys to hold me accountable, right? If you ever see that I'm not doing what I say I will do, please do call my attention to it in the comment section. So guys, I appreciate you guys for watching this video to this level, right? You guys are the best. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Bye for now, and to take care of yourself. Have an amazing trading month.